We are back this Thursday with Rick Hancock, and we're talking about Rick Hancock. We're talking about Out of Sight. We're talking about your favorite sites, and you know what? I love free stuff.
Free stuff.
Who doesn't love free stuff?
Well, it's free if it's really free, and totally free stuff is really free.
It's totally free.
You know, but you might have to pay a shipping cost, but it's pretty reasonable. But some of the stuff you go to a store or you go to a restaurant or a fast food restaurant, and you know, it's totally free stuff. So totallyfreestuff.com is a place you definitely want to check out. It has a lot of different categories of all the freebies that they have available, as well as in different categories in computer electronics. I saw one, I'm not telling folks to go to a White Castle, but there's actually a White Castle free deal today. If you go to totallyfreestuff.com, you'll see what that offer is. So that was one of my totally favorite sites for 2011. Absolutely, one of my best all-time is Fiverr. People don't believe this is true, and I'm telling you it's true. People will do all the things listed on here for $5.
$5.
I've used it. I had a problem with my blog a little while ago. Someone hacked into it. I really thought it was going to cost me a ton of money and a ton of time to get it fixed.
I like this one here. Chinalope. I'll say anything like a message or testimonial using my chin as a chinalope. You send your sister a birthday message with chinalope. She'd love it, right? I know mine would.
Coding, again, $5. You know, so why do people do that? They're trying to get a little bit of experience before maybe they expand their horizons in consulting and starting their business, and so
a little bit of extra cash on the side. The $5 adds up depending on how many people.
It's a really cool way. It's a volume. So the last one, Cardflick. Cardflick. You know, how many times, you know, Erica, you're out and about and someone hands you a card and it stacks up on your desk. Well, here's something that's pretty neat.
You can't close your wallet because you have so many business.
Exactly. So you can create the card on your phone, on your iPad, and there's a ton of themes. So you can just put them out there, and then you just electronically send it to someone. It's in their address book, so it's a nice design card. Makes
it easier too to just quickly put it into your contacts.
That's right, but you save the environment. If you want to see all my favorite sites for 2011, just go to ctnow.com. As seen on Fox, Out of Sight. Also, hey, for 2012, we really want to pump up our Facebook page and our Twitter page. So like me and follow me on Twitter.
Like him. I like him. He's a good guy. You should like him too.